video will show the 5 top best paper airplanes. Yeah! So, if you didn't see, flying one of the best paper airplanes, you go watch that one. This is flying one of the best paper airplanes, 2. So, I'll get the 5, and you just wait right here, and look out for the paper airplane. So first up, we have Zacron. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, I'm predicting, every paper airplane's gonna cross this brown line from the stairs. So there's Zacron. And we also have, it doesn't look good, but it's awesome, Giratina. And another amazing paper airplane is the Alkanauts. Who is he? Background. So, I'm trying to get new paper airplanes because I want to get Arrow out again, but he was in flying one of the best paper airplanes. But I forgot actually, so I actually don't know. So this Master. So. And then, lastly, it is Reshiram. So those are all the paper airplanes, and I'll be right back. Okay. And so, Zacron. My buddy's coming to follow the paper airplane. Ready? Zacron. Ooh, ceiling shot. Right. Giratina. Oh, these planes are not crossing these. And I don't know why Giratina's not doing that good today. Yup. They all didn't cross that line. So, this prediction, Alkanauts is going to lose. Reshiram. Alkanauts won, and he's the only one who crossed the line. That's the thing. So, my prediction was wrong. But that is the end of flying one of the best paper airplanes. Ends now, sadly. But there's a new season coming up. We are gonna make a game called paper airplane matches. So it's not really like Rocket and Match, but yeah, it isn't. They just face against each other, and whoever wins, it's not like whoever moves on to the next round. We're just testing out who's better, so stay tuned for that, and see you next time.